Before investing in Nigeria, it is essential to be aware of certain potential challenges and risks. What are these potential challenges and risks? Watch this video till the end because you're going to find out. One of those challenges is political and regulatory uncertainty. Nigeria has a history of political instability, you know, right? And then they also have this problem of changes in government policy. So it is crucial to stay up to date with the government policies and understand the regulatory environment, as any sudden political shift could impact your investment. Take for instance the new rule governing land registration and having CFO in Enugu State. This is a new rule, a new regulation. Many people are yet to know about it. So it's now looking almost impossible to have CFO for your land property in Enugu State today. For instance, you must keep 3 to 7 million naira just to have a CFO for a plot of land. Let's say you bought that land for 1.8 million naira or even a million naira. Then you spend 3 to 7 million naira to have CFO for it. Now, this 3 to 7 million naira is actually dependent on the location and size of your land. So it's not like you're going to spend the whole 7 million naira. No, it depends on where your land is located and the size of it. So, but the list is 3 million and the maximum of 7 million naira. So it's quite a new policy. So it is advisable to stay up to date with the current political situation of any state at all before investing there, such that you would be certain of what you're going to get and you'll be certain of what you're going into. Of course, that is one of the reasons I am here for you, to bring to you the new rules, the new regulation that governs land property in the city of Enugu State. So I help you to navigate those. You can always call on me at any time to help give you the information concerning the new rules that governs everything concerning land in the city of Enugu State. If you trust me, we can do business. If not, it's fine. Just ensure that whoever is giving you information is giving you the right information. The second challenge is security concern. It is no longer a news that Nigeria is facing a whole lot of security challenges. But then, I am ambos on a vine. Yeah, we cannot run away from our home. Home is home. Just ensure that wherever you're going for inspection, the place you're going for inspection is safe at the moment. At least we hear news every now and then of the places that kidnapping cases are happening and all of that. So just ensure that if you're going for any inspection, the place you're going at the moment, at the period you're going for the inspection, is safe. And also ensure that wherever you're being told to come and buy landed property, that insecurity is not going to make the place to remain stagnant. Because it is one thing to go for the inspection and return safely, another thing for the environment to develop. All right, so just ensure to make a proper finding that where you are being told to come and buy landed property is at the moment safe and in the future is going to be safe. Even though nothing is guaranteed currently in Nigeria, even the future is not guaranteed. But then with your research, you can get certain information and you stay updated. Like I said earlier, that is part of the things I do for my clients. I tell you the places that are safe at the moment and the areas to avoid at the moment. Yes, I am that open. Some may say it has been very crazy, but then I am doing it to ensure that I tell you things the way they are. I show you things the way they are. Just like when I'm running my drive-through videos, I show you the good road, I show you the bad road. That is it. You should see things the way they are. You should know the truth about anything you're doing in Nigeria. That is me for you. The last but not the least is infrastructure issues. When I talk about infrastructure, I'm talking about the transportation and power supply. So, certain areas in Nigeria face unreliable power supply. So, it is very important you make your findings, especially if you are buying this land to to erect where you would live. You are buying it to erect where you're going to have your home. You know, there is a difference between having a house and having a home. So if you are buying the land specifically for where you erect a residential house where you would live with your family, please make your findings. Ensure that such environment is not facing any unreliable power supply, because I do not know how you're going to enjoy the place if they're having unreliable power supply. We understand that Nigeria generally have unreliable power supply, no doubt, but certain areas are worse. So ensure that wherever you're investing, there is at least constant power supply. All right, with that, you would enjoy the environment. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do that as soon as possible. Click on that subscribe and then turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you're going to get a notification for it. I hope you gained something from this video. I hope the time you spent watching this video was worth it. Call or WhatsApp me anytime for further information concerning land investment in Nigeria, especially in the city of Enugu State. Call me on 0803 743 5005. I am your real estate consultant here in the Southeast Enugu, Nigeria. Loveth, Aneke. Until I come your way again. Bye for now.